This video is on the bushings for a 1998 Jaguar XJR. It's the XJ308, and I believe it's the same thing on the XJ40s, starting with the XJ40s. So, and it continues until 2003. So late 80s to 2003. And all that I did is I removed the bushing with a press machine and literally put the new ones in, the two new ones, by hands after I put some grease around it. This is the old one where it's cracked, as well as in here for this one. And in order to remove this, you got to remove this bracket on one end and this bracket on the other end, and they both go right here. And then the larger bracket over there, it goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sometimes these bolts here are rusted and it's very difficult to remove, but it's a 19 millimeter. This one as well. I use this 19 millimeter to remove it. And also, while you're down here, this is bad. This goes bad at 150,000 miles or so. It's a differential bushing. So if you want to replace it, go right ahead. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps.